Hi everyone there. Today we are going to discuss about the industry structure and positioning of firm under strategic management. So industry structure refers to the framework or the configuration of a particular industry where you have to position yourself and you have to frame strategy for them, and a sector, or it could be an economic sector, a manufacturing sector, or a service sector. It encompasses various elements including the number of size of the firm, the degree of competition, entry and existing of barriers that you are going to face, product differentiation, how different your product you're making going to make the product, the nature of supply chain, how the raw materials are procured and ultimately given to the customer, the demand dynamics, all are to be framed here. Analyze the industry structure is a crucial for business to develop efficient strategy and navigate competitive landscape for sustaining in the market, right? The types of industry structures, you have perfect competition, you have your competitors are in the same level and you have a perfect competition there. A theoretical market as structuring characterized by the large number and small firms. You have large number of firms or small firms producing homogeneous same product as manufactured by large or small number of a group. It could, we could call it as a cluster at a very good term. So pricing are determined by market forces and individual firms have no market power. So the prices framed by the market for determined by the market forces, and they have the full authority there. Where a monopoly, a market structure dominated by the single seller or a producer, and he is significant of barriers to entry, and he is the king of his own business, right? So oligopoly, a market structure characterized by a small number of large number of firms or industry. These firms are compete fiercely while also engaging in strategic behavior such as price signation and collision, or anything could happen. This is a very risky area where oligopoly plays. And monopolistic competition, a market structure with many firms producing different product. So you are once the unique featured product where there each firm has some degree of market power due to product differentiation. Your product is different from the others, so you have a uniqueness there, right? So but competition is still present. What is positioning? So positioning as a concept followed by market to generate an image on their product or service or brand, and positioning helps in the creating a distinctive image to the brand and the product in the mind of the consumer. So some of the products are brand. For example, previously there were many small shops we used to buy clothes and other things. Now people prefer buying branded products like W, Max, and many other foreign collaborating. But the manufacturers are from India, even though. So people are moving in in search of branded items, right? So types of positioning, there are functional positioning, symbolic, and experiential. So functioning is it depends upon the function that is happening in the organization. Symbolic is used for creating a brand image which helps to create brand equity, and the stakeholders are more in numbers here. They want to invest in other things. Social concentration and ego identification, etc., are to be when the customer happens to affection here, right? Get affected from here. Then the experiential, where this creates sensory and cognitive simulations in the market of the customer. It is one of the basic and experience which the customer can relate to. You can have a very good experience, and then you can word of mouth plays a vital role here, where they experience and they are coming for your product. The importance of market positioning. Positioning is an interact between brand identity and brand image. So depends upon the positioning. Mainly depends on the customer perception of the brand that you have developed into the market. Positioning as a source of competitive advantage. If you position your product properly into the market and with right time and right quantity, so you could get a good competitive advantage there. Positioning makes buy easy for the customer. So word of mouth or your good advertisement, everything plays here a vital role, and you could position your product in the best way. Key elements of positioning strategy: product feature, what is your feature of your product, utility of benefits that that your product could give, use categories and occasions where you're introducing your product, and competitive comparison is to be made with your competitors, right? Pitfalls in positioning: under positioning, when you estimate and it goes mistake and you're going under. Over positioning, when it goes beyond a limit and you think it overconfidently that it could happen in the market. And confused positioning, you are in a confusion that what is to be done and what is not to be done, and entering into the market and just like that. Then doubtful positioning, you are in a doubt, where in a situation where what could be done in the next situation, is it going to happen or not, and you're not having a clear cut idea there, right? So benefits of positioning is creating a strong competitive positioning, improve sales, define a clear target market where you have to place your product to reach your goals and visions, right? Make more effective decisions. Once you have a effective decision, the product is going to the market, and you could have good customers there, and you could have good competitive advantage. Then connect with the customer needs. Identify what is the real need of the customer and give them the valuable product at right time and right cost. Thank you for giving me an opportunity.